Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. You experience so many events and emotions each day. Some are bigger and more important than others, but they all contribute to you and your growth. Just how special a moment is and how much the value is to your life only becomes clear when it becomes a memory. Life is about living, and through living is how you create special memories for both yourself and others. Go out there and make some memories today.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.